hello everyone. So this is the program of factorial and block transfer. So I have my team with me. I am Tanish Gandhi with registration number 19BCT0124. With me I have Sarthak Gulati having registration number 19BCT0119. We have Shubham Shankaram with 19BCT0092. We have Kartikeya with 19BCT0112. We have Dhruv Singh with 19BCT0110. So I have already installed the DOSBox and MASM files and extracted it in a folder called 8086. So first we will mount C drive to our DOSBox, and we will mount the location 8086 with it. So it is mounted as local directory. Now we will change from Z drive to C drive, and then we will start our code. So as I've already written the factorial program as ASM, which is assembly language program. So from now my team members will explain about the code input and output.
So hi. In this code, the first part is basically the initialization part where we write the memory and the basic information about the code. So here, if you see, the first line of the code is model dot model small. This dot model small is a directive that specifies the memory configuration of the assembly language program. So when I say dot model small, I imply that I'm going to use a small percent of the memory, total memory. So it actually means that I'm going to use one code segment, one data segment, and one stack segment. So the next line is dot stack 64. So I'm going to use 64 kilobytes of the memory, and then there's a dot data part where this is where we initialize data. So here, if you look at the code, it says ADB04H. So the DB is actually a assembly directive and is used for the purpose of allocating and initializing a single and or multiple bit data. So here it means that A is actually pointing to the 04H address. Okay, and then the dot code is actually where the code is written for the program, and then in this case it's a factorial program, and that will be explained by Sarthak.
Okay, so thank you, Kartikeya. Now I'll continue. Okay, so the 16-bit data segment is moved to the general purpose register AX, the base address which cannot be moved to DS directly. So register AX is used to find the starting address of the data segment. To find the effective or the logical address, we have to load A to SI, which is the source index register, wherein A is moved to SI. SI, the content at address SI is moved to BL, index register mode. SI, which is pointing to 04H, implies 04 must be moved to BL, and LEA is the load effective address. Okay, so now to continue with the looping, I'd like Shubham Shankaram to continue.
For the loop part, first we have first thing is the MUL which is multiply BL with AL. So now what happens is BL content has 04 and AL content is 01. So 04 will be multiplied to 01. Now AL content will be 04, and DECBL means decrement the value of BL. So BL is now 03, and CMP BL00H implies compare 03 with 00H, which is not true. So the JNZ repeat will be false, like it just checks the comparison function above it, so it is false, and so it will again go to the loop, and if it is true, it will continue the code downwards only. So now it's false, so the control goes again to the mul BL. The BL now content is 3, so 3 is multiplied by AL, which has 4, so 3 into 4, AL has now 12. Decrement BL, which is now 2, like 3 to 2, and then again compare like BL to 00H, like this 2-3 times it will actually multiply, and after decrementing, after having 2-3 loops, the BL will be having value 00. So compare function will be actually be true, and the JNZ repeat, it will actually make the control go in downwards direction, and the code will end. And now Dhruv will explain the output of the program.
So using the MASM fed.asm command, the assembler reads in the assembly code, figures out the corresponding machine code and writes it into an object file along with some other info that varies depending on the object file format that we're using. The link fit.asm command, using this command, the linker takes a set of object files and merges them together in an executable file that can be actually run. And now we'll use the debug fit.exe command to run our program, and using the trace we can actually trace the code step by step. Now Tanishq will explain the working of the output.
So when we first trace the code, it starts with move ds, ax. So our ax now contains 076b. So when we trace this time, so ds gets changed to 076b. So now ds is 076b. Now we are loading it immediate address 000A to index register. So now now we can observe that ds contains 000A part. So when we go to ds 000A part, we'll observe that 04 is in the address location 076b, and it is displaced by A, that is 10 units. And so we are going to now find the factorial for 4. So it will start the loop. The first thing it will do is it will pass the 4 in BL register. Now next instruction is passing 1 in AL register. So now AL gets changed to 01, and BX we have 04. Now we will multiply BL, which means it will multiply BL with AL and store in AL. So this then it will decrement BL. So now BL is 4, which will get decrement to 3. Now it will compare if it is 00. It's not 0, so it will continue to loop and multiply the instructions till BL becomes 0. So I will continue tracing this part till our BL register is 0. So here we can observe that BL has changed to 0. So when we will compare, it will get out of the loop, and 18 is stored in our AX register, which is hexadecimal value for 24, which is 4 factorial. So our code has been run successful, and so when we will use this quit, and this is our first program. Thank you.